Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest digital wallet tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to transfer your PayZapp wallet balance to your bank account in 2025. If you've got money sitting in your PayZapp wallet and want to move it quickly and securely, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but we'll go through it step by step so you can do it without any hassle. First things first, make sure you have the PayZapp app installed on your smartphone and that your bank account is already linked. If not, head to the settings and add your bank details. It's quick and essential for this transfer. Let's get started. Open the PayZapp app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section, usually found on the home screen or in the main menu. Here, you'll see your available balance. Tap on it to access more options. Next, look for the Transfer to Bank or Withdraw option. It might be under a submenu like Payments or Funds Transfer. Select that, and you'll be prompted to enter the amount you want to transfer. Be careful here. Double-check the figure to avoid any mistakes. Now, choose your bank account from the linked options. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one you want the money to go to. The app will show you any applicable fees or processing times, so keep an eye on that. Once everything looks good, hit the Confirm button. You'll probably need to verify the transaction with a PIN, OTP, or biometrics for security reasons. After verification, sit back. The transfer should process almost instantly or within a few minutes, depending on your bank. And just like that, you're done. Check your bank account or PayZapp transaction history to confirm the funds have arrived. Pro tip: always transfer during business hours to avoid delays, and keep an eye on any minimum transfer limits. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay smart and stay connected.